Morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to where should we put it? Size Leg RC. So this is just a quick fix-it video. I'm not long in from work, and I thought I've had a delivery. I'll show you what I've had delivered. It's a little diff off an MGX Hyper Go. Now I got this off a Chinese website, so I don't know if there's going to be any grease in it. So that's the first thing I'm going to check to see if there's anything in this at all, because I bet there's not. And then we're going to shot it into that, which I shall explain now. So, around about 365 million years ago, my mate's son killed the diff on this, and I took it apart. I put everything in a tray, like so, for your view and pleasure. Question is, can I get it back together again? So, wish me luck. Now, where to start? Obviously that's the battery. Just put that over there out the way. That there is, shift that. That's the wheelie bar and plate across the back. Remnants of the old diff, which is just pagged and snapped. The bolts sheared clean out, so you've got the 4 bolts there, the four screws. They just snapped clean out and are still in here. Got 30,000 screws. Don't know what they're all for. Tell you what we'll do first. Let's move this out the way. Oh. Let's see if there's any grease in this, shall we? I'll just split this open. I've got some sort of B. Do you know what? I could be wrong, you know. That feels alright. That does feel okay. Is it in the same side? Yeah, it is. Tell you what, let's we'll just take this apart anyway. Move that to one side. Let's get the little toolbox out. There's my little screwdriver. So all I use is these cheap ones, to be honest. Off there's grease all over the outside of this, you know. I don't know if you can see, but there is. I have a sneaking suspicion there's going to be grease in this, and we're going to be okay. AliExpress may have come through. Pretty dry. Okay. Right, so I've put some grease in. I apologise that it was off camera. I haven't proper rammed it, but I've put plenty in. Right, one slightly greased diff. Best way to film this for you guys. Let's have a look. Right, so we'll put that into there, like that. And then we want a dog bone putting in, or a CBD shaft, whatever you call them. There is probably much easier ways of doing this, and I'm guessing it's taking it all apart properly. But you know me. Right. Alright, okay. So that bit's in, sort of. Dog bones are in. Those are on. Those are on. Now, which bit goes on next, do we think? God. I have a feeling it's this back end here. I just have a feeling. What's that? that goes on there somewhere, doesn't it? So that'll go on. Hang on. We need to get this cover on first. Right, it's on. Hey, honest to goodness me. So, 2 screws that are going to go down here in this hole. They'd have just gone straight through and fell out. There it is, look. These are just awkward, aren't they? Ha! Tell you what we have got though. We've got the magnet. Which works perfectly. Just for finding the hole. So this is just obviously the top plate, the diff cover top plate. Is that what it's called? I don't know. And then that all sits nicely and tightly there. So if I can now put that plate on there. So that's going back on there now. And I believe we can now, oh dear me. Oh dear, doctor. That sits on there. Ah, there. That sits in there, holds them in. I do apologise. I'm all over the place here. I don't know what's going on. We've got like long screws, short screws, big screws, little screws, bodged up screws. Pretty convinced that these do go in here, these longer ones. Listen, I don't think you need to see all this going on. I'm literally just I've put the diff in. That was the good bit, I suppose. All I'm doing now is everything's in place. The car itself is, everything's where it needs to be. It's literally just putting screws in the top plate in here, a couple in the bottom plate, and we're done. So just tie them in off camera, and then we'll go test drive it. Woo! Moment of truth. Not steering. It goes in the right direction anyway. Battery's a bit dead, but that'll be little Zach happy as we get this charged up, or his dad can get it charged up. Job done. Nice little fix, easy done. So there we go, just a quick fix video. Now flash. By the time I edit this up, it's maybe going to be 5 minutes long, if that. But yeah, I just wanted to do it because I haven't done a little fixie video for ages, so there you go.